An invalid gift card code message doesn't always mean the reward is lost. In many cases, the problem is caused by entering the code incorrectly, redeeming it on the wrong platform, or trying to use a code that hasn't finished processing. By the end of this video, you'll know the most common reasons a rewarded Play gift card code doesn't work, how to troubleshoot the issue, and when it's time to contact support. Start by checking the code carefully. Compare every letter and number with the original reward email or redemption screen. Characters like the number 0 and the letter O, or the number 1 and the letter I, are easy to confuse. Next, make sure you're redeeming the code in the correct place. Different gift cards have different redemption methods. A code intended for one retailer or digital service won't work if you try to redeem it somewhere else. If you just redeemed your rewarded Play points, wait before trying again. Gift card delivery and activation may take some time to complete. Trying the code immediately after receiving it can sometimes result in an error if the reward is still being processed. Another important step is to confirm that the code hasn't already been redeemed. Most gift card codes are designed for a single successful redemption. If you already used the code on the correct account, trying it again will usually return an error. If you copied and pasted the code, try typing it manually instead. Extra spaces at the beginning or end of the code can sometimes prevent successful redemption, even though the code itself is correct. You should also check that you're signed into the correct account for the service where you're redeeming the gift card. Redeeming a code while logged into the wrong account can lead to confusion about whether the reward was successfully applied. If every step checks out and the code still doesn't work, contact Rewarded Play support. Include your account email, the reward you redeemed, the date you redeemed it, and screenshots of the error message if possible. The support team can verify whether the code was issued correctly and whether there's a problem with the reward. Avoid redeeming the same code repeatedly after multiple failed attempts. Instead, verify the details first and wait for instructions from support if necessary. The key points are simple. Double-check the code, redeem it on the correct platform, allow time for processing, and contact support if the code remains invalid after you've confirmed everything. Your next step is to compare the code character by character with the original reward before submitting a support request. If this guide helped you solve the problem, like the video and subscribe for more Rewarded Play troubleshooting guides, tutorials, and reward app tips.